Did we buy Pepsi? I don't remember. We bought iced tea and stuff before. That was before we started boycotting. And there's always brands coming out that you don't know about, like, until, you know. So, are you boycotting anything?
In the YouTube algorithm, the people are represented by three separate yet equally important groups. The one that creates, the one that views, and the one that just can't help but react. Under Title 17, I am a member of an elite squad, also known as the Special Viewers Unit. These are the stories.
Today I have some Middle Eastern food. I have some shish taouk, which is marinated chicken breast, fries, grilled vegetables, pickles, strawberry juice, and I have some bread, Simone bread it's called, with a kebab sandwich. I have a huge complaint that they didn't give any garlic sauce, but that's okay, I guess. Usually they do give, like, it's pretty standard at like all Middle Eastern places. They give garlic, especially with shish taouk. Start with pickles always. Grilled tomato. Grilled onion is good. Kebab. We had a super busy day. A lot of things to do, take care of. By the time we got home, way too late to do groceries. That's why we're eating this. Pretty much just blended up strawberry. The fresh juice places in Kuwait are amazing. But yeah, they put tahini sauce, I think. We're basically just trying to order local, and there's a delivery app that's pretty local. They deliver mostly local food. The bread is really soft. I love this Simone bread. It's the best. But once I get my groceries, I'll do a grocery haul. An olive. I've never had an olive in my mixed pickle. I'll do more cooking. There's this like wild dog that's been howling like every night so far in front of our building, almost like it's calling out to the other dogs. One thing I find so different from where I'm from in Canada is the wild dogs. They hang around in packs. Is this Saj? Oh yeah, this is Saj bread. We saw that too in Thailand, but it's always surprising to me. Always startles Julia. Strawberry flavor is delicious. Kebab is just like meat, ground meat. The onion is sweet because it's been grilled. So, how's life treating you guys? I really have to go live. It's been a while. We have a life. It looks like we don't because I don't share it anymore with you guys. When I think of how I used to do content, like I would come on and share like every little thing. Like if I went to the car dealership or whatever. Now I just live my life with my husband and don't share as like that much things, you know? Hi! She started waiting for me. When she knows it's her time for wet food, as soon as she hears my CPAP go off, she runs to the kitchen door. She knows she's gonna get her Butcher's. Butcher's is a brand of wet food here. That's what I feed her. I give her crunchies and wet food twice a day. Too cute the way she waits for me at the door. Like, Butcher's! So I always go, you want your Butcher's? I love this bread. Needs garlic sauce. Too. What can you do? Did you like your food?
Yeah, so much.
I like the strawberry juice.
Bon appetit.
Thanks, babe. Alright, guys. Shish taouk meals, but that's okay. Homemade is always better. I don't have a grill, like that charcoaly grill taste for meat, but anyway, back to cooking soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I don't think they have one. Wait, what else can I do? Hold on. They have a chipmunk? Wait. Oh. Hold on. Ew. What's this? What the? Hold on, guys. I'm trying to find a good filter. Hold on. Thanks for the geometrical egg. Oh, dragon egg. Thanks for the dragon egg, Cursed. Thanks for the rose. I gotta blow my nose when I do that. Can we still order pizza spray? Thanks for the ice cubes. So bad at this. Hi, Kay. Millennial energy. Am I a millennial? 1984. George, I'm Orwellian. Oh, Jordan! Thanks for the donut. Thanks for the ice cream. Thanks for the rose, babe. Smells nice. Sunglasses. Thank you. Kimmy, we don't stay indoors. We were out all day today. That's why I'm so late. I only got to do my video, or I still have to edit that. Maybe tomorrow, I guess. Remember, some people really do love you. I know. I love you guys too. You guys are what I do this for, you know? Everybody has haters. Anybody relevant or a little bit relevant, even people who have very little subscribers, everybody has haters, you know? But yeah. You do it for money like everyone else. Well, that's part of it, you know, yeah. But I like it too, as well, Jane. Someone called you Fat James Charles? What? You don't look like James Charles. I'm not visiting family for Christmas, no. I'll miss them, yeah, for sure. I was bloated that day, oh please. That's the major part of it. Yeah, I mean, anybody does anything for money, of course. You know? 100%. But I've learned a lot. Like, I'm not as... I used to just spend my money so frivolously, you know? Like, just like spending hundreds and hundreds on lunch. Now I just get what I need. You know what I mean? On my cheek, it's a pimple. A healing pimple that's been healing forever. I don't know what it is. Cystic acne? I don't know what it is. Salah doesn't want to go either. Used to get a lot more money back then. Yeah, and I wish I was more careful with it. I do. Yeah, I spent a lot. You have to be careful with your money and responsible. For sure. I was way too immature, irresponsible. I didn't care about anything, you know? Just so apathetic about life. When I sound like Cartman, you couldn't live without snow? Afford all the takeout? It was very expensive. Very expensive. Hi, Emmy. But so are groceries. You know, nowadays, sometimes some places have, like, it's cheaper to eat there than buy groceries to make it. You know what I mean? The tree lady. Maybe next time. I'm kind of sleepy. You need energy to do that. Takeout's expensive for 2 people. Yeah. True. Do I sleep all day? No. I never really sleep. There's been a few times, like back in Canada, I was like really depressed. When I was sick, I would sleep more, but not all day, no. Now that the weather's nice, I like to go out, but I'm not gonna like go live just for like running errands or doing basic things. I don't know. I am married, yeah. Helpful phrases? I don't know. But I think, like, there's a lot more things we're gonna do for sure. Now that we're better and everything, And the weekends over? The weekends are too busy here. Like the traffic jams, like Juma, like Friday and Saturday. So we're just gonna like, there's so many things. There's so many like really huge, nice malls. There's Winter Wonderland. There's like all kinds of things we can go see. Old souks, beaches, you know? Could you vlog your housewife life? That's not boring for you guys? I find that boring content to do. I don't know. When I clean, I don't like to wear my abaya and my hijab. That's one thing. Two, I like to listen to something, you know? So it's hard for me to get the motivation to film those kind of mundane things. I can sit in a car forever, yeah. I love sitting. Probably just the way my hijab is. That's why it looks like that. A lot of us dream of being a housewife. No way! Okay, I gotta go actually because we're supposed to do something in like the morning around 10 or 11, so. You love being a housewife? Sometimes I wish I had a maid, honestly. Like someone to... You have nothing. That's what you think. I think I have a lot. We have an apartment, we have a cat, I have a loving husband, we have a car. What more do I want? For me, I don't judge my success in life as having material possessions that when I die are going to be left here. For me, experiences are more important. Learning, spiritual journey, love. Love is priceless. And I have a lot of that right now. So thank you. I think I'm doing very well. No. Health? Yeah, health for sure. Yeah, that can definitely be worked on. Yep. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. It's not. Oh.
Hello.
Listen, guys. Hey, man. Does this taste the biscuit?
Yeah.
Biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. Taste the honey sauce. Taste the goodness of the biscuit with the honey sauce. Honey sauce on me.
Your honey sauce.
Oh, thanks, babe. I don't like the way it mixes with my chicken wings.
Taste the biscuit.
So yeah, just to answer that, if you remember before I met Salah, he had his own place, his own car, his own everything. So yeah, he can definitely support, but I don't want to quit YouTube. I like doing social media, and nobody will ever take that away from me. So keep your judgments to yourself. Thanks. Why would he need more than a bachelor place, C3? Why home shame him? Yes, his business is still doing well.
Alhamdulillah.
I love this packaging. I won't show you the contact info, but they come like this, the perfumes, in nice packaging. I love it. It's cute. We give them as gifts, or he gives them as gifts to like people, family. But yes, he's doing fine. Yeah, Lizzie, right? Anyway, so, it's gonna be a year we've been married. Yeah. You should battle. You just battle random people. Like, maybe next time I go live on here, I'll try that. I don't know who these people are. Lola, it's really hard because, like, mostly it's just sold around here. Okay, we wouldn't be able to live here if we weren't married, Radio. Thank you, Ron, for the finger heart. Thank you, Lex. Well, Tiffany, I don't know why it's anyone's business, but whatever. We're married, that's all that matters. I have a lot of filters. I have one filter from TikTok. How you doing, babe? We should go to bed?
Exactly, Allah, it's late.
We have to be up. Okay, guys. Hi, Olivia. Yeah, I know, Tiffany. Hi, Juju. Thank you for being here, guys. LZ, everybody. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something, but I don't remember. So, yeah, I guess that's it. I just wanted to try it out. It's kind of fun. Maybe I'll go again. I'll do regular lives on here and YouTube mix. I don't know. Maybe have more mods.
We will see about it.
We will see about it. Are you funny? Yes. Thank you, Lizzie. Thanks, everybody. Good night, Tiffany. Please come live more.
Good night, all guys, and thank you for coming.
Yes. Hi, baby Yell. I wish you guys could have got to see her, though. Hi, baby Yell. Yeah, I guess that's it. So, it's very late here. The time difference is crazy. Anyways, that's it, guys. I will see you guys in the next live stream. It's 3:55. Stay until 4. Right? Closing number. To be braided, no. Maybe little ones. Oh yeah, lipstick. Ew. It's like chunky lipstick because I have 2 lipsticks on. Hi, Lex! Can you notice me? I said hi. I noticed most of you guys come in here. The filters added freckles, I know. I don't know why there's... Okay, I have the filter off. But it looks like there's still a smoothing filter. I don't know how to get rid of that. Thanks, Juju. It's like sticky a bit. It's a Rimmel lipstick. But it's gonna be coming off because I'm gonna go wash my face. TikTok go all out with the filters, yeah. I think everybody... Your wedding ring is so... Thank you, Adelina. I didn't see your comments. Just gold. I like it. Sleep time. Yeah, I'm gonna go in 3 minutes, Lizzie, and close at exactly 4. I can't believe how late it is. Makeup tutorials? Ugh. No, Carly, I haven't. I haven't heard that. Taste the biscuit. Taste the honey sauce. You have work in 4 hours. I used to do that all the time and then go into work just drink like the Colombian what was it? Colombian coffee at the cafeteria at work all day. Potato face. Lizzie. I love coffee. I love coffee too. There's so many coffee shops here besides Starbucks. I don't drink Starbucks. But iced coffee, yeah, or hot. I'm just weeding out all the people. I don't like the way it tastes on my chicken wings. Thai coffee? I tried Thai tea, that's about it. Pumpkin spice is good. I want to try to make my own pumpkin spice latte. I want to go to Vietnam. I heard the tourism is pretty good. Like, I think I want to do that too. It's on my list. Slices where? That's okay, Nana. I don't care about that. No, not this song. What's for?
Closing number, huh?
Not the Titanic song. It's better when you play it on the keyboard. Hi, Angelica. Protect my heart with. Hi. I'm a TikToker now. I'm gonna do TikTok lives. Yeah, I will. Hello, Adam. Okay, guys, it's 4:01. We gotta go to bed. It's gonna be stuck in my head. Oh, thanks, Jill, for the hearts. Thanks for the hearts. Howdy. Hi, James. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, everybody who joined. Have sweet dreams. Thank you. It's nice of you guys to join and hang out. So, sweet dreams, yeah. Hi, Starry Night. Bye, Starry Night. We're just getting off now. So.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time, yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah.
See you soon, guys.
See you soon. This was fun. I want to do it again.
And God bless you all.
Nice, TRC. God bless you, yeah. Have a good night, guys. Stay blessed, stay happy, and we'll see you next time. Bye! How do I end this, babe? Oops.
I think from up.
Well, hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm pretty hungry. I was laying in bed. It's like 5 in the morning and I haven't been able to sleep. And I was thinking, you know when you're thinking of like, you're hungry so you're thinking of combinations of things you have in your kitchen? Well, the only thing we have to do groceries later today. I have some frozen corn and I thought, you know what? I'm going to try to make a lotus. I should run it underwater, shouldn't I? Yeah, that made it easier. 2 for me, 2 for Salah. So we're gonna need some mayo, some parm because I don't have cotija cheese, pickles to snack on now, and a huge thing of water. Boy, want a pickle? Yeah, we have to do groceries because I gotta get back to cooking. This is our fridge. We have some cream cheeses up there, some eggs, labna, milk, water, more pickles, carrots. These fruits and veggies are still good. Some butter, some butcher, some eggs, ketchup, mustard, a thing of water. That's for the shisha. So as you can see, yeah, separate, come on. Pickle juice, where it's at, man. Time to strain. One thing I do have that I bought, best thing ever. I think it's ready. Mayonnaise. This brush is coming in handy as well. Some mayonnaise. My hands are clean, whether you believe that or not. It's up to you based on my track record, I guess. All right, here we go. Okay. Okay. Then we have some Parmesan. Like that. It's kind of messy though, isn't it? I think the parm helps the... I think the mayo helps the parm adhere, you know? All right, this is messy. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I mean, should be a little. And some paprika. All right. The corn is sweet. That's nice. I'm gonna go share this with my husband. And then hopefully we can get some sleep with a belly full of corn.